In 2026, Ferrari has taken a bold step into a world no one could have imagined for the iconic Italian marque. Known for crafting some of the most breathtaking sports cars on the planet, Ferrari has now redefined the luxury travel experience with its very first motorhome. This isn't just it's a moving masterpiece of speed, elegance, and pure passion. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on performance or comfort, no matter where the road takes them. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Ferrari Motorhome demands attention. The exterior is a striking blend of aerodynamic curves inspired by the brand's racing heritage, combined with the robust presence expected from a luxury motor. Painted in Ferrari's signature, Rosso Corsa red, accented with subtle black carbon fiber detailing, it carries the unmistakable prancing horse emblem that turns heads even in the most exclusive destinations. The front fascia takes cues from Ferrari's latest supercars, with sharp LED headlights, sculpted intakes for cooling, and a low, aggressive stance that somehow still blends seamlessly with the taller motorhome body. Stepping inside feels like entering a private luxury suite. On wheels, Ferrari has spared no expense in materials, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The interior is wrapped in the finest Italian leather, available in custom colors to match your style, with Alcantara accents, hand-stitched panels, and real carbon fiber trim running along the cabinetry and dashboard. The living space is designed to feel open yet intimate, featuring a spacious lounge area with plush, ergonomically designed seating that can transform into a secondary sleeping area. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows ensure that whether you're parked along the Amalfi Coast or deep in the Swiss Alps, the view is always part of the experience. The Ferrari Motorhome's kitchen is a testament to functional luxury. Compact, yet incredibly well-equipped, it features a high-end induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that can adjust cooling zones for wine or food, and a combination oven that uses both convection and steam cooking. The countertops are crafted from lightweight, heat-resistant composite materials, allowing for both style and practicality. Every cabinet and drawer is soft-close, lined, and optimized for secure travel storage, so nothing moves while you're chasing the horizon. When it comes to the bedroom, Ferrari has created an oasis of rest. The master suite at the rear offers a king-sized bed with a memory foam and gel hybrid mattress, custom bedding, and underbed storage. Integrated ambient lighting allows you to set the mood, while built-in speakers connected to the premium Ferrari audio system bring crystal-clear sound to your private space. There's also a retractable smart TV hidden within the wall, perfect for catching up on entertainment after a day of exploration. The bathroom is every bit as luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, an Italian marble sink basin, and gold-accented fixtures. A compact, yet efficient layout ensures that it feels more like a five-star hotel bathroom than an RV washroom. Advanced ventilation keeps the air fresh and the mirrors fog-free, while integrated storage keeps personal items neatly organized. Performance is where Ferrari truly separates itself from the rest. Underneath this luxurious living space is a specially engineered chassis, powered by a hybrid V8 powertrain derived from Ferrari's high-performance models. This combination delivers an astonishing level of power and torque, allowing the motorhome to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency for its class. Ferrari's advanced adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride on any terrain, adjusting in real time to road conditions, while the precision steering offers a driving experience unlike any motorhome before it. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the vehicle. The cockpit features a digital instrument cluster inspired by Ferrari's sports cars, with navigation, performance metrics, and trip planning tools built in. A voice-activated control system allows you to adjust lighting, climate, and entertainment without leaving the driver's seat. The motorhome is also equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to handle long stretches of highway travel while you relax and enjoy the scenery. For those who travel with toys, the rear of the Ferrari Motorhome includes a compact garage space designed to fit a pair of high-end bicycles, an electric scooter, or even a small sports car like a Ferrari Roma Spider. Hydraulic loading ramps and secure tie-down systems make storing and unloading your gear effortless. Safety has been given the same priority as luxury and performance. The Ferrari Motorhome comes with a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced collision avoidance system. Even the tires feature embedded sensors that monitor pressure and temperature, ensuring optimal performance and safety. The exclusivity of this motorhome cannot be overstated. Ferrari has announced that only a limited number will be produced, with each unit being fully customizable through the Ferrari tailor-made program. Owners can work directly with Ferrari designers to select colors, materials, layouts, and even unique exterior graphics, making each motorhome truly one of a kind. Pricing reflects the rarity and craftsmanship, with the starting cost estimated at several $1,000,000, ensuring that only the most dedicated and passionate enthusiasts will have the privilege of owning one. In the end, The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of what happens when performance engineering, luxury craftsmanship, and a passion for the open road merge into one extraordinary creation. It's for those who want the thrill of a Ferrari without leaving behind the comfort of home, those who believe that the journey should be every bit as exciting as the destination. With its stunning design, breathtaking performance, and uncompromising luxury, the Ferrari Motorhome isn't just changing the gamuts, creating an entirely new one. Whether you're racing through the Italian countryside, cruising along the French Riviera, or camping under the stars in the Australian outback, one thing is certain. In a Ferrari Motorhome, every road becomes your personal circuit, and every trip becomes a story worth telling. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a stunning example of how the legendary German automaker has reimagined the world of luxury travel. Known for its engineering precision, timeless elegance, and unmatched comfort, Mercedes has taken all its strengths and infused them into a motorhome that feels less like a recreational vehicle and more like a rolling 5-star penthouse. From the very first glance, it's clear this is not your average motorhome. The exterior design is sleek, modern, and aerodynamic, finished in deep metallic tones that catch the light in a way only Mercedes paintwork can. The bold front grille proudly displays the iconic three-pointed star, flanked by advanced digital LED headlights that adapt to every road condition. Sculpted lines flow from front to rear, creating a look that is both elegant and powerful, while subtle chrome accents highlight its premium nature. The tall stance and wide body are perfectly proportioned, making it as commanding on the highway as it is stylish when parked at an exclusive resort or along a scenic coastal road. Stepping inside is like walking into a private luxury suite designed by Mercedes-Maybach. Every surface, every stitch, and every fixture reflects meticulous craftsmanship. The living area welcomes you with plush seating upholstered in hand-selected Napa leather, available in multiple color combinations to suit personal taste. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering perfect support for long journeys, and can recline, swivel, or transform into an additional sleeping area when needed. Large panoramic windows let natural light flood the cabin, giving you an uninterrupted view of your surroundings, whether it's a bustling cityscape or a quiet mountain range dot. The kitchen is a masterpiece of efficiency and elegance. Despite its compact footprint, it is equipped with a state-of-the-art induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, a smart fridge with customizable cooling zones, and a convection steam combination oven. Countertops are crafted from lightweight quartz composite, balancing durability and beauty, while soft-close cabinets with integrated LED lighting store all your kitchen essentials securely. Mercedes has even integrated a hidden wine cooler, ensuring your favorite vintage is always at the perfect temperature for evening relaxation. The bedroom area is a retreat within a retreat. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome features a full-size king bed with a multi-zone adjustable mattress that allows each side to have its own comfort setting. Ambient LED lighting wraps around the ceiling edges, creating a warm and calming atmosphere. Soundproofing technology ensures that you can rest peacefully no matter where you've parked. A large smart TV is neatly mounted opposite the bed, paired with a premium Burmeister 3D surround sound system, offering an immersive entertainment experience. Underbed storage is cleverly designed for luggage and essentials, keeping the space tidy and organized. The bathroom feels more like a luxury hotel spa. It features a rainfall shower with customizable water pressure and temperature memory, a stone sink basin with brushed aluminum fixtures, and a heated floor for extra comfort during colder mornings. A backlit mirror and concealed storage keep the space sleek and clutter-free. High-end ventilation ensures the bathroom always remains fresh, while a compact washer-dryer unit is integrated seamlessly for long-term travel convenience. Driving the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is an experience unlike any other in the RV world. Under the hood lies a powerful yet efficient hybrid electric powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy for its size. The advanced 9G-tronic automatic transmission ensures seamless gear changes, while the air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, making even rough terrain feel smooth. The cabin is engineered to be whisper quiet, so conversations and music are never interrupted by road noise. Handling is precise, thanks to Mercedes' adaptive steering technology, and parking such a large vehicle is made simple with the integrated 360-degree camera system. Technology integration is one of the highlights of this motor. The cockpit features a fully digital MBUX infotainment system with a massive high-resolution touchscreen, voice control, and AI-assisted route planning that considers road conditions, scenic routes, and even nearby attractions. The smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security systems with either voice commands or the dedicated Mercedes app. The vehicle also comes with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to take over during long highway stretches while you relax and enjoy the journey. For those who want to bring along extra gear, the rear includes a versatile garage space. This area can store electric bikes, scooters, or other travel equipment, with hydraulic ramps and secure tie-downs for easy loading and unloading. Mercedes also offers an optional slide-out, outdoor kitchen, and entertainment space, perfect for open-air dining and gatherings during your travels. Safety remains a core Mercedes value, and the 2026 Motorhome is no exception. It comes with the latest suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, crosswind stabilization, and autonomous emergency braking. The tires feature embedded sensors for pressure and temperature monitoring, while the onboard safety AI constantly analyzes road conditions to prevent potential hazards before they occur. This motorhome is not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying every second of the journey. Mercedes has designed it for travelers who refuse to compromise on luxury, comfort, or performance. Whether you're navigating winding coastal roads, cruising through open countryside, or parking beside a serene lake, every moment in the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome feels elevated. Exclusivity is also part of its appeal. Mercedes is offering this motorhome in limited numbers, with each unit fully customizable through their bespoke design program. Buyers can choose from a wide range of colors, materials, layouts, and even personalized insignia to make their motorhome truly unique. The starting price reflects its premium status, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. Yet for those who value Mercedes craftsmanship and innovation, it represents the ultimate expression of mobile living. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a perfect fusion of engineering brilliance, interior opulence, and technological sophistication. It's more than just a means of transportation, it's a lifestyle statement for those who want to carry the essence of a Mercedes-Benz luxury experience wherever they go. From sunrise breakfasts overlooking remote landscapes to nights in ultimate comfort, this is the future of travel, crafted by a brand that has spent over a century perfecting the art of driving pleasure. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is the ultimate expression of luxury, elegance, and prestige in the world of mobile living. Known for building the most opulent cars in the world, Rolls Royce has taken its unparalleled craftsmanship, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence, and created a motorhome that transforms travel into an art form. From the very first glance, this vehicle commands presence like no other. The exterior design is a perfect blend of grandeur and modernity, with clean, flowing lines that give it a stately yet aerodynamic profile. The iconic Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, topped by the Spirit of Ecstasy, which now gracefully illuminates at night, signaling sophistication wherever it goes. The body is finished in a bespoke two-tone paint, with endless customization options through the Rolls-Royce Bespoke program, allowing owners to select unique colors, metallic effects, and hand-painted coach lines. The size of the 2026 Rolls Motorhome is imposing, but every proportion has been carefully crafted to maintain elegance rather than bulk. Flush-mounted windows, subtle chrome accents, and seamless paneling enhance the impression of timeless design. At night, soft ambient exterior lighting highlights its contours, making it stand out whether it's parked in a secluded coastal hideaway or arriving at a luxury resort. Stepping inside is nothing short of stepping into a private palace on wheels. The interior is a showcase of the finest materials sourced from around the globe. Hand-stitched leather and hues personally chosen by the owner, open-pore exotic wood veneers, polished to perfection, and intricate inlays create a cabin that feels handcrafted for royalty. The floor is covered with deep lambswool rugs, while the ceiling features the signature Rolls-Royce Starlight headliner, recreating a soft star-filled night sky no matter the time of day. Every seat in the motorhome is designed for maximum comfort, with multi-zone massaging functions, heating, cooling, and adjustable lumbar support. The main lounge area is arranged with plush armchairs and a sofa that can convert into an extra sleeping space, surrounded by panoramic windows to connect you with the world outside without compromising privacy. The kitchen blends refinement with advanced functionality. It is equipped with a precision induction cooking system, an integrated espresso and tea brewing station, a dual-zone wine cooler, and a smart refrigerator with climate control for fresh produce and luxury ingredients. Countertops are made from Italian marble or rare onyx, while all drawers and cabinets use silent, soft close mechanisms. Rolls-Royce has designed the kitchen to be as much an aesthetic statement as a culinary workspace, ensuring that even meal preparation feels like a first-class experience. The master bedroom is the heart of this motorhome's luxury. Here, a king-size bed with a handcrafted mattress from one of the world's leading luxury bedding companies ensures restful nights. The bedding is made from the highest quality Egyptian cotton or cashmere, depending on owner preference. Ambient lighting is fully customizable, and the Starlight ceiling continues here to create a sense of peace and wonder. Integrated smart storage solutions keep the space immaculate, while large windows can be darkened instantly with electronic privacy glass. The bathroom is a spa in miniature, featuring a rainfall shower with 24-karat gold or brushed platinum fixtures, a heated marble floor, and a vanity with crystal basins. Rolls-Royce has integrated aromatherapy and steam functions into the shower, turning even a quick refresh into a rejuvenating ritual. Discreet storage keeps personal items hidden, maintaining the uncluttered elegance of the space. Performance in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is as extraordinary as its interior. Powered by a specially tuned V12 hybrid powertrain, it delivers effortless acceleration and near-silent operation, gliding along roads with the signature Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet Ride experience. An adaptive air suspension system reads the road ahead and adjusts instantly, making even the roughest terrain feel smooth and serene. The advanced sound insulation ensures that the outside world never intrudes, allowing conversations to remain at a whisper and music to be enjoyed in crystal clarity. Technology is seamlessly integrated, never dominating the luxury environment. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital display with Rolls-Royce's intuitive interface, offering navigation, trip planning, and performance data in a clear, elegant design. The motorhome includes Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to take over during long, straight routes while the driver relaxes. A voice-activated smart system can adjust lighting, climate, entertainment, and security throughout the motorhome. The onboard entertainment system features a premium, tailor-made audio setup tuned specifically for the unique acoustics of the cabin, offering a listening experience comparable to the best concert halls. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome also offers an optional rear garage space for carrying additional luxury vehicles, such as a Rolls-Royce Spectre Coupe or electric bicycles. Hydraulic lifts and climate-controlled storage ensure these vehicles are always travel-ready. For those who enjoy the outdoors, an extendable terrace with heated flooring and luxury seating can be deployed from the side, providing a private space. To enjoy sunsets and scenic views, safety is, as always, paramount. The motorhome is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, night vision, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking systems. The AI safety system continuously monitors road, weather, and traffic conditions, making micro-adjustments to ensure absolute stability and security. Every 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a bespoke creation. The brand will produce these in extremely limited numbers, each built to the exact specifications of its owner. From the paint finish to the stitching on the seats, every detail can be personalized. The price reflects its rarity and craftsmanship, starting in the multi-million-dollar range, ensuring exclusivity for those who demand nothing less than perfection. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's a statement of lifestyle and identity. It's for the traveler who demands the comfort of a Rolls-Royce on every journey, who wants to bring the sophistication of a private estate wherever the road leads. With its unmatched elegance, engineering brilliance, and commitment to creating a serene, indulgent experience, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome sets a new benchmark for what is possible in luxury travel. It is more than a vehicle. It is a sanctuary, a work of art, and a symbol of what happens when craftsmanship and innovation meet without compromise.